Understanding credit repair. A journey to financial freedom. Meet Alex, struggling with a low credit score and mounting financial stress. Alex learns about credit repair, a crucial step towards financial stability and better opportunities. Facing challenges, Alex focuses on clearing debts and negotiating better terms with creditors. Over time, Alex's credit score improves, opening doors to loans and lower interest rates. Alex's journey shows how credit repair can transform financial health and future prospects. Visit our website www.australiancreditsolutions.com.au or call us on +61 489 265 737 and subscribes.